This video will be talking about why losing followers or losing subscribers is actually very good. So when it comes to the algorithm, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, they're all pretty much, not that they're the same, but they all work on video watch time, engagement rates, and thousands of other different little things. Yeah, but engagement rate is one thing, and that really helps pushing your content out. So let's just say you uploaded a post on Instagram, and let's just say hypothetically, some of you might have 1,000 followers or 1,000,000 followers. It doesn't really matter. Let's just keep it to 1,000 just to make this easy to understand. So you've got 1,000 followers on Instagram, and you upload a post that you think is awesome, and your followers are going to love it. But if your followers aren't supporting you and they're not engaging, what Instagram does is Instagram will show your post to, let's just say, 50 people. Now, out of those 50 people, if 95% of your audience sees your post and they don't actually like it, they don't share, they don't leave a comment, they don't love, they don't save it, like whatever, but they're not engaging in your content, whether it's a video, a photo, a written post on Facebook, doesn't really matter, or even YouTube, they're exactly the same. So when what these social media platforms do is they show your piece of content to an audience or a bucket that they think people might be interested in your content. Now what happens is, let's just say Instagram shows your post to 50 people and no one likes it, no one comments, no one even no one reads it. They look at it and keep scrolling. That's going to tell the algorithm that this post isn't good for social media. Because what social media is, they want people to stay on that social media. So with YouTube, they want people to watch videos. They want people to stay on the platform. They want people to consume video after video after video. Same thing with Instagram. If Instagram shows your post that you think is amazing and people are just scrolling, that's going to tell Instagram, well, this is actually really bad. This is bad. Now what happens is, when you post something, and this is why a lot of the time, if you don't have really supportive followers and your engagement rate is low, it's probably better for you to start posting on Reels and hiding it from your main page. So what Instagram will do is, when you push it out to just Reels, it'll push it out to new people, yeah? Whereas if you share it on your newsfeed as well, what happens is Instagram will share it with your followers as well as new people. Now, this can be bad and good. So if you've got a high engagement rate, I highly recommend sharing it on your newsfeed as well, because if you've got a high engagement rate, your friends and people who follow you, they'll automatically support you, they'll like it, they'll comment, haha, that's awesome, oh my God, Alan, thank you so much. They save your post, they share it, they're supporting. And because of that, Instagram are going to share it with more people. Whereas if you don't have people that are supportive, let's just say you've got 1,000 followers, and out of that 1,000 followers, let's just say 995 people don't like, they don't comment, they don't care, yeah? That's going to tell Instagram that your post or your video isn't that great. So when you're sharing it to Reels, or you're sharing it to, on Instagram, it kind of knows, Instagram knows that it's not really a good piece of content. So my biggest recommendation is, if you have a low engagement rate, start sharing it on just Reels and hide it from your newsfeed. But if you have a good engagement rate, what I would do is share it on both.